thank you for watching this video. And today we're gonna show you how we earn money selling our old stuff just before we move into our new house. Only one side, yeah, I got tools. We've already sold 2 items. $20 for the table and chairs from IKEA, and $25 for the gym equipment. Now we gotta sell the bike, the sofa outside, and hopefully the TV. Go for landscape. Thanks, Mike.
I'm also from the parameter.
Oh yeah, so
I'm watching.
you're working there.
Yeah, that's why I told around 6:15 and then.
Yeah, but they say the traffic was. That's okay, mate. You can take it. Okay, so we also have shoes for sale. We've already sold 1 pair of shoes, and also the stationary bike is gone. 2 guys picked the items out, and it's gone. Baby for sale too. $5. Okay guys, so today we decided to sell some stuff that we don't want to bring to the next house, and we earned some money. We sold the gym equipment, we sold the IKEA tables and chairs, we sold a pair of Ultra Boost Adidas shoes, and we also sold the stationary bike. So we got 50, 100, 10, 20, 30, $40 cash. More to come.
Bigat bener. Tigil ka na. Bahay pa mo. Tapos sasakay ka pa dito. Wait lang.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll fix it. Kasya daw, daddy, sa kanya daw.
$100 for Blair.
Blair's like, give me that, that's mine.
Cashier pala dito.
That's mine.
May cashier.
That's mine.
Baka makunin ito ni Blair.
Okay, Blair, put here.
Put there.
Here in the pocket. Put here. Cashier. Kashing.
Wow.
Ninong. Commission.
Wow.
Ta-da! How much do you have? Ooh, look at that. This is wow. Yeah. We have. Oh wow, we have money. Let's see how much. Okay, so we're gonna count them. We have, Black, come back here. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 1, 2, 3, 4, 350, 360, 70, 380, 390. Oh my gosh! We got $400! Yay! So,
Bye.
that's it, guys!
Bye.
Bye! Kulit.